Gabby, it's 2 o'clock. You're not supposed to be doing Christmas shopping today?
Good morning, y'all, and happy Vlogmas Day 20. Y'all, I'm going to disclaimer out there. Today is not going to be one of those preppy, kind of busy kind of days. It's going to be very chill. CHILL with a snowflake. Chill. So basically, what I'll do today is I need to wax. Yeah, because it's been like about a month. But the good thing is that since starting to wax some years ago, my hair does not grow back as thick as it used to be, like when I used to use the removal creams and the shavers and stuff. So to be honest, I don't need to, but because I could see the hair, I want to, and it's been like a month plus since I waxed. So yeah, on to do that today. I just finished washing up the wares. I'm most likely not going anywhere today. Beaches are open from today, 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. I mean, I'm glad, but at the same time, not really, because that used to be my time slot. Like, Lamar and I would reach on the beach like after 6, kind of thing, leave by 8, 9 when everybody now come in. Now, everybody go be coming in that time slot. So it's like, yeah. But I would let everybody like get through all the madness and all that, and then I would go. So maybe like after New Year's, make a trip up and get some chow and thing and go and sit down on the beach. Maybe dip in my toe, cause I don't like to be in the beach like that. Yeah, I have to trim the ends of my hair, but I don't want to do it. And Cindy, I asked Cindy to do it for me, but the timing, I would have to do it after like mid-January. So I think I'll wait until then for her to do it for me. And if not, because she was doing a house visit, so I was just like, yes, sis. And if not, it has a business called A Styled. She seems, well, from everybody who I've seen going to her, like her work and stuff, so I might visit her, but she's in Chagonos. So I might very well just wait for Cindy to do it like mid-January, because she's doing a house call and I will just pay her for that and all that good stuff. Instead of having to leave my house and go and yeah. What else? Yeah, that's the phenomenon. The hair, is the hair. It's still a little puff something. I still cannot put it in like a whole puff where it actually would stay, because that's what was going on yesterday. I had my hair in a puff and I had to take it out because, as I told you, my scalp is tender at the moment. My scalp was just like, sis, no, we're not doing this. So I had to take it out to like let it breathe. I think so. That's what it is. I'm just rambling at this moment, clearly. What else? I already wrapped gifts. Let me show you all. Yeah, I already wrapped gifts, so that won't be a video this year because I wanted to get it over and done with early o'clock. So yeah, I only have one more gift to wrap, and that's because I only got it last week. So yeah. And yeah, Keanu supposed to be making punch crème, so I asked him to leave a bottle for me. And we're not making pastel until after January, but we ordered some pastel from Lamb's friend, so we have to go and collect that Christmas Day. Yeah, so that is that. Outside looks so pretty. If I see how hot today is, oh my god, the place where I warm, the sky real nice and blue. Like I could do it going somewhere, but I don't know. We'll see what today holds. But yeah, I want to do my eyebrows too, but so let's go. Oh, and I have a Christmas hairstyle I want to do. I'll put a picture right here. So I just had to get like a pack of breed in here for that, and that is that. Just to look little, you know, normal, cause yes, just want to look a little nice for the little Christmas day, you know, Christmas Eve into Christmas Day. Want to look a little cute and thing, you know. So yeah, that is that. Yeah, so I'll pick you back up when something happening. Alright, so sis gonna make us a drinky drink. Today's just one of those days, not in the mood day. Yeah. Today's a not in the mood day. I'm gonna make the punchy punch, the fruit punch one, with some of the non-alcoholic Tosali wine. Y'all, this mixed with the, what you call this thing? The Angostura Chill Sorrel. This tastes real good. A nice little drinky drink. And I have a pack of plum. I'll eat some of this. I have like 1 or 2 Vlogmas videos to catch up with. So I think I'll go and do that. And then like a little bit later on, I would tidy up the place. Because as you all know, I cleaned early on. So it's just basically just do the normal upkeep. So I may show you all that. Nothing special. Sweep and mop. Yeah. But yeah, that's that. So, and today on the menu is curry ramen. So let me go do this. Take a little drink. Ooh, yeah, that crack feel good. Go and catch up on some Vlogmas videos, and I will come right back when I'm ready to clean.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells.
Alright, so this is like, ooh, that candle still smelling. Papa, you. Pops, and is that okay? Oh yeah, I like the Imperial's Black Fig candle, and it's smelling real good. Like it smell up the bedroom within like literally less than 2 minutes, and I was in the bedroom here and I passed and I get a whiff. It was like, smell nice. So I left the house to go get something with Lama, and I decided to pick up a bottle of Pancha Creme. It is from the brand Crema. So let me just put it here. Alright, yeah, so it's from the brand Crema. If y'all don't know, this is Samara Maloney. She's a local influencer. This is her brand of Pancha Creme. She started it, I think it was last year. If it was before, then I didn't know. But I saw it last year, so I decided to try it this year. You know how to get a little Pancha Creme for a little Christmas week. Although Keanu making some for me. I wanted one before he gave me mine because I get that Christmas day. So yeah, I want to taste it and see how it goes. We'll do a taste test maybe during the week this week. Yeah, so now I am going to wax. So let me put on this wax warmer too. Warm. So I'm gonna wax my mustache. And I do only my arms because and there's a month. So yeah. I my arms and I want to do my leg. I don't know if I'll have the energy to do like my full legs because the 2 legs I want to do. And my bikini area. Where else had I wax? That's it. I don't like to do my eyebrows, but I don't want to jack up my eyebrows, so that's a no. But that is that, yeah. So Christmas tree on. Christmas tree. But lights where? What is it? So the other thing, see now. Okay, wait, let me put my on. Yeah. So that's that. I'll come. Oh, I put on the warmer. I plug it in and I even put it on. Wow, where's this? Wow. Oh, good thing I have a next bottle of this thing. I didn't realize that tin was so low. Anyways, yes. So let me go. Relax myself. When I get warm, I'll come back and we'll do some waxing together. You know, we like that. We close like that. So you know. Beautiful noodles. I love these curry noodles, cheese and bread, beloved. So yeah, I'm going to eat that. And yeah, now finish wax. I didn't do my full legs. I didn't do my legs at all. I just did only my arms, my mustache, and my bikini line. My legs could honestly stay for like the next 2 weeks, so that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, I just have to show y'all my noodles. I thought it's so funny. So yeah, so I'll pause up a minute. So I just finished. So I just came to end of today's vlog. So that's basically like my, what to call that? Can I had the big Christmas? Can I had the normal cleaning, like the week of Christmas? That's what I just did. So yeah, the place nice and clean and beautiful looking and all that good stuff. So I mean, it was clean before, but you know what I mean? Like it. Anyways, so I'm gonna see you all in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Also, before I end this video, as I would have known yesterday, my 15% coupon code Gabby15 with Crown Heritage would have expired. Yes, I know. I'm sad too. I hope you all used it to get that money off. However, I have some really good news. So, as of today, you all are able to use Gabby 10, I'll have it right across the screen, to get 10% off your order, any order, $60 and up for an entire year, y'all. So you could use 10%, my 10% discount code every single day. If you make 10 orders, you could use Gabby 10 for 10% off those 10 orders, every single order, every single day for the year of 2022, God's willing, starting from today. So go ahead over to Crown Heritage, place those orders and use my code to get that money off of your beautiful order. Okay, we gotta get your hair intact, we gotta get your face intact, and why not get that pocket intact too with that money off, like all you. Don't sleep on this, don't sleep on this. Gabby 10% off of your order, $60 and up. So I'll see you guys in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. Bye.